2026 is coming, whether you're ready or not. It doesn't slow down, it doesn't wait, and it doesn't care about your plans, your intentions, or your excuses. It will expose exactly who you are. So start acting like the person you want 2026 to reveal. A new year won't change your life, your actions will. So stop waiting for the calendar and start changing your behavior. If you waste these final days, nothing changes. You walk into 2026 with the same habits, the same routines, the same comfort. If you use them correctly, you walk in different. This is where you begin. Cut the noise. Stop scrolling first thing in the morning. Move your body before excuses wake up. Work before the world distracts you. Improve before you consume. That's how momentum is built. Don't chase 10 goals. Choose one direction that actually matters and give it your full focus. Then act on it daily. Not when you feel motivated, daily. You don't need January 1st to change your life. Change starts the moment your actions change. Train yourself to follow through. One workout, one focused work session, one promise kept to yourself. That's how self-trust is built. And self-trust is what creates confidence. Control your emotions before they control you. Know when you're productive. Know when you're weak. Protect yourself from your own excuses. What you allow into your mind is training you every day. Your feed, your environment, the people around you. So remove what weakens you. Add what strengthens you. If you want success, surround yourself with strategy. If you want discipline, surround yourself with discipline. Give your days structure, standards you don't negotiate with, actions you take even when you don't feel like it. And every single day, do something uncomfortable, because comfort keeps you the same. Discomfort changes who you are. Stop endless scrolling. Silence the world for the first hour of your day. Let your mind breathe before distractions enter. Fix your environment, clean your space, organize your phone, distance yourself from anything that drains your focus. Because you don't rise to your goals, you fall to your environment. These days are shaping who you become. Your future self is watching how you use them. When 2026 arrives, don't show up with hope, show up with proof. Proof in your habits, proof in your discipline, proof in your identity. 2026 will not be your best year by accident. It will be your best year because you built yourself for it.